Hello and welcome back. Are you looking for a fun math activity? Well, today I'm going to show you an easy dice activity. Setting this activity is simple. Children only need to roll and tally. But trust me, there is much more than rolling and tallying. So these dice activities are super hit at our house. And I knew somewhere this would be a great one too. And tally is something that can help children later. We can start it small and simple, like grouping numbers. While we did tally, we also learned the concept of skip counting, like 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. This is a super fun activity. You can be part of it as well. So let's quickly have a look. Let's quickly have a look at the supplies. We need an A4 sheet, pencil and eraser, pair of dice, some colored markers, and we can begin. On an A4 sheet, we make columns as shown. So since we have two dice, we are not going to write number 1. We start with number 2 and go until number 12. So we have player 1 and player 2. The player has to roll pair of dice. It says 4 and 2. So they need to add. We have a little bit of maths here. 4 and 2 gives you 6. The word was sad. And the children need to make a line. Now the next player. 6 and 2. They add. It was 8. It said kitten. Ask the children to read it loud. And in their column, ask them to make a line. So this activity is nothing like a statistics activity for preschoolers. We aren't going to go to that level, but we can simply do grouping of numbers. The job of your child is to roll the dice, keep a track of which number came when. It is just as simple, but as complex as that. Kids learn so much from this dice activity. Children work on immediate recalling the number of the dice and matching it to the number on the score sheet. Children practice number recognition. They also do a little bit of math. Children learn tally, a first try for them, and an important skill for later in life. It's just simply tracking on something. And when a parent gets involved, kids get even more excited and look forward to the concept. This activity was a great hit at our house. And I'm not kidding. This went on for 4 days. She rolled the dice for more than 300 times. But it was fun. Children learn a little bit of English and math at the same time. Happy learning!